पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अभ्यासत आहोत सायन्स 1 बोर्ड मार्च 2023 सॉल्व आन्सर शीट चा पार्ट 3. पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्स या गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी उपयोगी पडणाऱ्या चॅनलवर आपल्या सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक स्वागत. जे या चॅनलवर नवीन आहेत, ज्यांनी अजूनही आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल, तर त्यांनी आत्ताच केअर एज्युकेशन ट्रिक्स या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. सबस्क्राईब केल्यामुळे आपणास अखंडितपणे क्रमाने सर्व विषयांचे व्हिडिओ अभ्यासता येतील. तसेच पुढील नवीन व्हिडिओचे प्रथम नोटिफिकेशन मिळवण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन तसेच लाईक या बटनला क्लिक करा. काही कमेंट्स असतील तर अवश्य कळवा, योग्य मार्गदर्शन केले जाईल. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपणास अगोदरचे सर्व व्हिडिओ अभ्यासायचे असतील तर केअर एज्युकेशनल ट्रिक्सच्या लोगोवर क्लिक करा. होम पेज शेजारी असलेल्या व्हिडिओ या ठिकाणी क्लिक करा. आपणास सर्व व्हिडिओचा अभ्यास करता येईल. विषयाप्रमाणे अभ्यास करायचा असेल तर प्लेलिस्टमधील व्हिडिओ अभ्यासा. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पैकीच्या पैकी मार्क मिळावेत ही सदिच्छा. 10वी परीक्षा देणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी व्हिडिओची लिंक शेअर करा. Question 3. Answer the following questions. Any 5, 15 marks. 1. Calculate the escape velocity on the surface of the moon given the mass and radius of the moon to be 7.34 into 10 raised to 22 kg and 1.74 into 10 raised to 6 meter respectively, given g is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Question number 3. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. 1. Given mass of moon is equal to 7.34 into 10 raised to 22 kg. Radius of moon is equal to 1.74 into 10 raised to 6 meter. G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Escape velocity is equal to under root 2 g m upon r. Under root 2 into 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 7.34 into 10 raised to 22 upon 1.74 into 10 raised to 6. Under root 2 into 6.67 into 7.34 into 10 raised to minus 11 into 10 raised to 22 upon 1.74 into 10 raised to 6. Under root 97.9156 into 10 raised to minus 11 plus 22 minus 6 upon 1.74. 2 into 6.67 into 7.34 is equal to 97.9156. 97 0.9156 upon 1.74 into 10 raised to 5, 2.37 kilometer per second. Therefore, escape velocity on the moon 2.37 kilometer per second. Question 2. An element has its electronic configuration as 281. Now answer the following questions. A. What is the atomic number of this element? B. What is the group of this element? C. To which period does the element belong? 2. An element has its electronic configuration as 281. A. The atomic number of this element is 11. B. The group of this element is group 2. Therefore, the element belongs to group 2. C. The element belongs to period 3. 3. Observe the figure and name the ray AB, ray CD and ray GH. Question 3. Ray AB, incident ray. The ray CD, refracted ray. Ray GH, emergent ray. Question 4. Read the following sentence and answer the questions. NaCl is an ionic compound. A. Why is NaCl an ionic compound? B. State any two properties of ionic compounds. 4. NaCl is an ionic compound. A. NaCl is an ionic compound because the compound NaCl formed from two units, namely cation Na plus ion and anion Cl minus ion. Na plus and Cl minus being oppositely charged, there is an electrostatic force of attraction between them. This force of attraction form ionic bond. The positive Na plus and negative Cl minus charges balance each other. As a result, an ionic compound is formed. Therefore, NaCl is an ionic compound. B. Two properties of ionic compounds. 1. The ionic compounds exist in solid state and are hard. 2. The ionic compounds are brittle. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपला अधिक सराव व्हावा म्हणून मी प्रॉपर्टीज जास्त लिहून दिलेल्या आहेत. यापैकी तुम्ही कोणत्याही दोन प्रॉपर्टी लिहू शकताय. 3. The melting and boiling points of ionic compound are high. 4. Ionic compounds are water soluble. 5. The ionic compounds cannot conduct electricity when in solid state. 5. Identify the physical and chemical changes from the following phenomena. A. Transformation of ice into water. B. Ripening of fruit. C. Milk turned into curd. D. Evaporation of water. E. Digestion of food in the stomach. F. Iron fillings get attracted towards the magnet. Transformation of ice into water is the physical change. B. Ripening of fruit is a chemical change. C. Milk turned into curd is a chemical change. D. Evaporation of water is a physical change. E. Digestion of food in the stomach is chemical change. F. Iron fillings get attracted towards the magnet is physical change. Question 6. Observe the following figure and answer the questions. Wax layer, iron, copper, lead. Specific heat capacity of metals. A. Which element has maximum specific heat capacity? Justify. B. Which element has minimum specific heat capacity? Justify. C. Define specific heat of object. A. Iron element has maximum specific heat capacity. Iron sphere absorbs more heat from the water will give more heat to wax. B. Lead element has minimum specific heat capacity. Lead sphere absorb less heat from the water will give less heat to wax. C. The amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of an object by 1 degree Celsius is called the specific heat of that object. Question 7. Identify figures A, B, C and give their uses. A. Name of figure cartridge fuse used to protect domestic appliances. Fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit. B. Name of figure MCB miniature circuit breakers use. It is a use in a homes when the current in the circuit suddenly increases. The switch opens and current stops. C. Name of figure galvanometer use. It is a used to detect small electric current and measure its magnitude. 8. Complete the following flowchart. Hydrocarbon, saturated, alkene, H2n plus 2, Cn H2n minus 2. Example ethene. Example hydrocarbon, saturated, unsaturated, saturated alkane, unsaturated alkene, alkyne. Alkane Cn H2n plus 2, alkene Cn H2n, alkyne Cn H2n minus 2. Example methane, ethane. Example ethene. Example ethine. Question 4. Answer any one of the following questions. 5 marks. 1. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. A. Name the defect of vision represented in above figure. B. State the reasons for this defect. How is it corrected? D. Draw the diagram to show the correction of this defect. Question number 4. नवीन प्रश्न नवीन पानावर सोडवणे. 1. A. The defect of vision represented in above figure is myopia. B. The reasons for this defect. 1. The curvature of the cornea and the eye lens increase. The muscles near the lens cannot relax, so that the converging power of the lens remains large. 2. The eyeball elongates so that the distance between the lens and the retina increases. C. This defect can be corrected by using spectacles with a concave lens of a proper focal length. D. The diagram. Light coming from distant object, concave lens, convex lens, retina. Correction of myopia, nearsightedness. Question 2. Complete the following table. Serial number 1 to 5. Common name. Structural formula. IUPAC name. Read table carefully. Question 2. Serial number 1. Common name ethylene. Structural formula CH2 double bond CH2. IUPAC name ethene. Serial number 2. Common name acetylene. Structural formula CH triple bond CH. IUPAC name ethine. Three. Serial number. Common name acetic acid. Structural formula CH3COOH. IUPAC name ethanoic acid. Serial number 4. Methyl alcohol. Structural formula CH3OH. IUPAC name methanol. Serial number 5. Common name acetone. Structural formula CS3CO CS3. Propane to own. गुणात्मक वाढीसाठी आपण संपूर्ण व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल आपले मनापासून धन्यवाद.